Hi, this is Madison Harbison, and this is for my Intro to Instructional Technology class, Module 4. First question, reflecting on the Google training, I really enjoyed it. I learned a lot, specifically about Gmail. I learned a few different things about primary email and how you can kind of pick and choose what is more important to you as you read things. It kind of just does it for you. I also wasn't aware that we could tag different things or star videos that we want to come back to. Would I get the certifications in the future? Absolutely, I would. That would look great on a resume. I believe it would 100% make you look really great to looking at someone looking at you for a future employer. As an employee, it just adds a little something extra to you, gives you that extra just oomph behind you, knowledge, more power, um, more understanding of, especially if a district was 100% Google, Chromebooks even, then 100% I think they would look at you as an asset. So 100% I would consider getting the certifications. Pros and cons with Google comparing to Microsoft. 100%, you cannot beat sharing a Google Doc, a Google form, a Google slide, a Google spreadsheet, any of those things. It's so much easier. Um, you can even pick and choose whether they just view the document or they are able to edit whatever you send. The forms, Microsoft doesn't have that at all. And forms are great for a classroom for tests, quizzes, check-in surveys, exit interviews, getting to know you, so on and so forth. Huge resource are Google Forms. The one thing that I do prefer of Microsoft over Google is Microsoft Excel. I took a class, Microsoft class in college, when I was at a community college, on campus, and we learned Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access, which Google doesn't have an Access, but they have a form, which is better. Access is great, but forms are far better. Um, Excel, I just think it's easier. I understand it better. Um, it makes more sense to me, so I think that's just why that's my preference. But I don't have a problem with Google Form or Google Sheets. They're just as great. I just prefer Excel over Google Sheets, comparing the two. Overall, I think I would prefer Google just because, especially Gmail is far better than Outlook. Their emailing software, Gmail is cleaner, easier to look at, easier to read, easier to find things, more organized. I don't know if I said that already. Outlook is just a mess. I have both. I have an Outlook account for my work and I have a Gmail for school and just personal. And my Gmail is 100% better. It just filters things out that I don't need. Um, Easily can unsubscribe emails that I just don't use. Far better emailing system. And yeah, that's all I have. So thank you for listening.